Hey guys, it's me Aryaveer.
And I'm Anugya, and welcome to our kitchen. So it's Mother's Day, and Aryaveer is making something for me, right, Aryaveer?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell us the ingredients?
Yogurt, honey, blueberry,
Nuts
nuts,
and granola.
granola.
Okay, so we are making a granola bowl.
Granola bowl.
Yeah, and yogurt, especially Veer loves it. So Veer is going to make something out of yogurt. So Veer, shall we get started? Okay, let's get started. Veer, can you put some yogurt in the bowl? Okay, some more. Some more. Okay. Okay, now we need to put the honey. So you want to wipe it? Okay, so let's put the honey on top of the yogurt. Just make a round. Okay, just sprinkle some granolas. Yes, some more. Let's put lots of them. Wow, it looks amazing, right, Veer? Blueberries. Yeah, let's just sprinkle all of them.
Okay.
Fabulous. And lastly, we'll put the nuts. Yay! That's our granola bowl.
Granola bowl.
Perfect. So, shall we taste it?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Can you mix it?
Yes.
Okay. This is very healthy, guys, and great for children. It's got the nutrition of yogurt, granolas, blueberry, nuts, honey. So it's super healthy and great for your family. Okay, is it mixed? All right, can we taste it?
Yes.
Can I feed you? Okay. How's it? How's it, Aryaveer?
Yummy. Remember the blueberries?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Ah! What's that? Okay. So guys, do subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye.